is Satyanarayana Raman. I am the CEO of A Enterprises and Foods and also co-founder of Millet Mart Ventures Private Limited.
Parth Sarthi Iyengar. I am CEO of Millet Mart Ventures Private Limited. So we are working together on the millet in a very larger scale globally. So our focus is to get the Indian millets and millet value-added products a credibility in the international market. See, whatever sells in the market, there are a number of brands. But which product sells most in the market is the product which has got the credibility. So that is what we are trying to increase the credibility of the market internationally. When I say credibility, we try to bring in a trust in the product that everybody would buy it. So by virtue of a concept called food chain. Food chain is a concept of blockchain which we have found out with our own technology and our own algorithm, and we are trying to bring in a total traceability in the entire product range. If you see, this is a product, one of our product made by A Enterprises, but this is being sold internationally in Gulf countries, US, Canada and UK. The main reason for that is this particular QR code. If anybody scans this QR code, you will find out 3 levels of quality certificates which are certified by an international body called NABL. That accreditation, the certification has got. So that 3 level of certification, one for the product and one for the grain that has been used and the other one for the grain that has been produced at which farm. So these 3 level of quality assurance we are giving it to any buyer internationally. So this is going to be a mandatory one, and this Indian Council of Agricultural Research has recognized our effort, and they are also providing us an award tomorrow in the valedictory function. So more, of course, Mr. Satya will tell about it.
Thank you, sir. See, this is the machine called, this is the machine. We have specially trained this machine to find the quality parameters of the millet grains. Okay, there are 12 parameters for millet grains which this machine analyzes and gives a report. Based on the value of the parameters, we recommend what will be the best suited output product that the grain qualifies for. Okay, so we have different products we have manufactured ourselves. This is one kakra, we have millet noodles, we have pastas, we have vermicelli, we have millet chips. So we help in finding out which grain is suited for which product, and we test the quality of the grains, and we are helping startups, millet startups in India to ensure
various startups whom we have taken globally.
So these startups, we ensure that they manufacture the products with the best quality, and we take these startups along with us into the international market. Thank you.